Halina sa Kids Casino.
It's Casino. So today, this is chicken feet. So if you guys don't know what chicken feet is, basically it is the feet of a chicken. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna show you how to cut chicken feet nails. So as you can see, this is chicken feet. As you can see, chicken feet. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. So you can't eat the nails, so we're gonna cut those nails now. So guys, when you're playing with meat and cutting it, you don't ever put that in your mouth because meat is dirty and they're not clean and there's most bacteria in it. So I'd rather wash your hands after playing with meat. So let's just cut this open. So you might be wondering, do you cut it with a knife? Do you cut it with what? What do you cut it with? Well, we cut it with just normal scissors. I'll just cut it with normal scissors. Just gonna cut it with normal scissors. So here's one chicken feet. I don't think they have 5 fingers, but they only have 4. Oh, this feels so nice. So what you do is you don't cut it all the way here, you cut it right at the edge. And you don't cut it at the front because that's where there's the blunt bit, so you cut it right at the back. And make sure you get a nice snippy sound. We're gonna have to cut a lot of chicken feet today. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. So we're going to cut lots of chicken feet. So I'm going to show you how to cut one first. And already. So I'm going to cut one for you guys and then. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'll have to keep it. Keep it like this. Oh, I'm supposed to cut this thing. So finally, guys, I got one cut. So, see. So chicken feet, I think, have webbed feet. So that's why they're a little skinny. Chicken. So I'm going to keep this aside. And we have loads of more. Look, this is very sharp. So anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below, put a thumbs up. And bye. And remember, this is Kids Casino. Bye. Remember, put a thumbs up. Thumbs up.